Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out form W-7, which is the application for an ITIN number. So this form is used if you need a U.S. taxpayer identification number, but you don't qualify for a social security number. It's also important because you'll need this for filing taxes or reporting income in the U.S. So let's go to it step by step. So first at the top right, choose your application type. You'll either check apply for a new ITIN, renew an existing ITIN depending on your situation, and next move to the reason that you're submitting the form. You'll see several options labeled A to H, so just select the one that matches your case. Like if you're filing a tax return or claiming a benefit, make sure this part is correct because it explains why you need the ITIN. After that, go to the name section, enter your legal name exactly as it appears on your documents. And if your name at birth is different, you'll fill that out in the next slide. Then enter your mailing address. This is where the IRS will send you your documents. And right below that, add your foreign address. This should be your address outside the US, and don't use a PO box here. Next is your birth information. So fill in your date of birth, country of birth, and city or province. Then choose your gender. In the next section, add your country of citizenship. If you have a foreign tax ID number included, if you have a US visa, you'll also enter those details. Now, move on to the identification section. You'll check what documents you're submitting, like a passport, then enter the document number, expiration date, and the date that you entered the US if required. And if you've ever received an ITIN before, answer that question and provide the number if you have it. After that, if applicable, fill in the school or company name and how long you plan to stay. And finally, go to the signature section, sign and date the form, and add your phone number. If someone helped you complete the form, their details will go in the delegate section. And that is it. Once everything is complete, review the form carefully before submitting it. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.